Hello, my name is Stephen Lillyman and I'm the Technical Marketing Manager at Amphenol. And today I'm thrilled to introduce you to Amphenol's innovative pluggable FTTx solutions, designed to streamline and enhance fiber optic deployments across various network environments. At Amphenol Fiber Optic Products, we focus on modular and scalable solutions that cater directly to the evolving needs of the FTTx market. Our pluggable PON eAMT technology exemplifies this approach. By using the same single fiber drop cable, also as a feeder cable, we significantly reduce inventory complexities and enhance the flexibility of network design. Using a single fiber cable as a feeder cable, one can then add a split point just about anywhere, particularly convenient for home, office, small multifamily buildings, townhouses or small apartments, and small business office suites. This technology allows for a pluggable split point to be added almost anywhere along the network architecture and replaces the need for manual splicing, which is time-consuming and costly, and also adds layers of risk. What's unique about our system is its adaptability. You can start with a simple 4-port configuration and you can scale up to 8 or 12 ports as your network grows. Beyond just the eAMT, we integrate our solutions into the larger system with options from other business units of Amphenol, like Charles, for example, with their cabinets, pedestals, and other enclosures, which can come pre-equipped with pluggable ports or pre-terminated stubs for even faster deployment. These solutions are designed to work seamlessly with the existing splice domes or can incorporate our H connector or M connector inline pigtails that plug in to create a fully pluggable environment. So what does this mean for our clients? Speed, efficiency, and cost effectiveness. Our factory terminated solutions not only speed up deployment, but also reduce the need for skilled labor, cutting down on both time and expense, and also, as I mentioned earlier, reducing layers of risk or potential errors when splicing. And let's not forget, all our pluggable solutions are designed to be compatible with products from major competitors, ensuring our clients can integrate our solutions without disrupting their existing setups. With Amphenol, you're investing in a future-proof network that delivers unmatched performance and reliability with a name such as Amphenol. Thank you for joining me today, and we look forward to speaking to you more about our pluggable FTTx solutions in the future. Thank you.